auction is not the best method, because auction is what is the price you are giving to the government for the ore on a particular day, in a particular time, month. At that time, if the ore price is very low, then you will get a low rate. But if the price has gone up, like the rate is going up from $40 to $150 per ton. So if you do the auction when it's $150, you will get different money. If you do it at the $40, you will get the lower amount. So we say auction will not get you the total amount that you should get as owners of the ore. We are not talking about government, we are talking about public of Goa owning the ore. We need to get the best. We need to get the best. How to get the best? If it is done by the corporation will sell all the ore, e-auction all the ore, and all the money will come to the Goa government, and therefore directly the people of Goa will benefit. But if it goes under auction, same principle will come. Maximum revenue will go to the mining companies, profits. Some money will go to Goa government, and maximum money, 30% or something, will go to the central government. And again, Goa government will get benefit. In last 8 years of mining, from 2004 to 2012, Goa government got less than 5% of the revenues value of the ore. 5%, less than 3,000 crores. And the mining companies got more than 30,000 crores. So this is not fair at all. This has to stop. And therefore we are insisting that a new, completely clean slate we have to start. Clean slate. In the clean slate, you will hand over the lease to the no need of auction. If you are giving to Goa Development, Mineral Development Corporation, there is no need of auction because it is a government corporation. So they can start the work immediately. They can ask for environment clearance. Nobody will object if it is government corporation. There will be no fights. So they can get the thing to remove. Then the government, the mining corporation can tender the extraction contracts to anybody. It can tender the extraction contract to this Sadhana Cooperative Society in Kollam. They can give them the extraction if they have got the lowest tender. They can give it to a union of all the mining employees. They can start their own mining welfare board. They can bid for this. Why only mining companies?